What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I want to apologize, right? I know when you hear these types of videos, you're like, what are you apologizing for? Today is a good day. You shouldn't have anything that's negative. Well, I don't think that it's negative. Honestly, it's a positive. It's more like when you go into an interview and they ask like, what are your strengths and weaknesses? And you give them like, oh, I'm good in Excel. I'm good with communication skills and all that stuff. And they're like, well, what are your weaknesses? You're like, well, I care too much. Like that's the type of negative that this is. It's not really um, a negative. It's more of like um, a negative that I'm working on or something like that. I don't know how to classify it, but I want to talk about crypto. I want to talk about where we stand, not only with just crypto in general, but the investments that I've made. I think I have to apologize to the people that are a part of my copy trading strategy. Not saying that we lost money in any by any means, but I feel like I have to have a different strategy. My strategy right now, I feel like it's very successful. I've had success, I've had some failure, but obviously the success outweighs the failure. But I wanted to just talk about this and give you my apologies here. And honestly, I'm working on it just to see if I can become a little bit less conservative, because the reason why I want to be conservative because I'm handling other people's money rather than my own. Um, and I think that's where kind of that strategy changes. And now I have to adjust it. And I also have to do both strategies at the same time, which we'll talk about that. Guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit, whether it's for Amazon, you can check out my links for that, my merch store. You can check out my Twitter, my Patreon. All those things do help out a lot in growth and being able to pay bills and just overall continuing to create maybe the content that you like or maybe the content that you dislike. Some people really dislike me. But yeah, feel free to check that out. And also, if you want to join Margex yourself, feel free to use my link down below. They are a partner with the channel. And if you want to learn more about how to trade with Margex, through your own strategy or building your own strategy, feel free to check out my Patreon. I have a bunch of videos laying that out. I'm going to be creating a lot more videos. And you can also reach out to me directly and say, hey, like, I don't understand this. How do I get a sense of or make sense of what we're doing here? And I'll definitely break that down. And if we can find a way to get a one-on-one going or something just to talk about this, that would be great as well, just to kind of explain it a little bit more and helping you build your own strategy. So anyways, with all that out of the way, if you don't know, the crypto market made some moves today. We've seen some moves from things like AVAX. We've seen some moves with things like XRP. We see Solana. We see a lot of things that are making some moves. And with those moves comes a lot of positivity in Margex, in your trading, right? Whether it's, you're trading on Coinbase or trading on Kraken, if you're leverage trading, you're able to see a decent sized return if you go the right way or you understood the long-term aspect of it. But when I look at my Margex account, these are all of my Margex trades that I have open right now for my personal Margex. I have a bunch of different ones that range from me investing, $300 in USDT all the way down to like, I think $10 or something, like a really, really low amount. And I'm still, gaining a lot. I'm green in basically every single, actually not basically, every single one that's there, I am positive on, and some aggressively positive. And a lot of people will ask me, like, hey, how do you keep gaining so much XRP from your Margex trades? You can't be making that much money from Margex. And I am. Not only from, the kickbacks that I get from, people that are signing up, but I get a lot back from trading, and I'm showing this firsthand right in front of you. The numbers are changing right in front of your eyes. So it's not something where this is a screenshot. This is right in front of your eyes. This is where we stand. It may be 2,000%, maybe 4,000, 5,000%. I'm also gaining 100, 200, 300%. This is how I'm doing that. It's not completely like a shock to be able to gain this much when you can utilize other people's money if you know what you're doing, right? If somebody came to you and was like, hey, I want to invest in your company, or you said, I want to invest into your company, but I know I'm only going to gain like 20% back, so I only want 20% back. They would probably end up giving you the 20%. And then when you see that grow and you could have made 2,000, 5,000, whatever percent, you just didn't believe in that company. So if you don't believe in yourself and your trading abilities, then you're never going to be able to make that much. So anyways, I'm able to make quite a bit. You can see here XRP, I'm up 2,000%, 100%, 113%, 266, 237, 279, 238, 100%, 4,890%, and so on and so forth, right? Up a decent amount. But you can see all of these gains, and some people have joined my copy trading strategy. So if I go over to copy trading and you scroll down to different strategies, you're going to see a strategy with my name, Matthew Perry. I did open this strategy with 6 people that are following it. I'm up by 51%. If we go in here, I've increased this. I've invested a decent amount of equity. Like my equity is around $1,000 I invested. Everybody else is around $400 or so. I'm going to try and keep it around at least 50%. But I've made over $285. I'm at about almost $300 worth of gains here. 24-hour performance is $213.98. I won't always invest everything. Like right now I have a lot that's open because I kind of want to have some that are long term and then some that are shorter term that I really hold majority of the money. I'm not going to hold overnight. I just want to see it flourish as I make that trade throughout the day, kind of day trading in a way, but then also having some that's sitting there. So the reason why I'm apologizing, you're probably like, what are you sorry for? It seems like you're gaining quite a bit for everyone. What are you really sorry for? And the reason why I can say that I'm sorry is because my trading strategy in my own portfolio is a lot more aggressive, and I'm seeing a lot more positivity there to where I'm gaining 2,000, 4,000, 200 or whatever percent. But if I go into copy trading, which I still have $900 that's sitting out there in the open ready to be invested, my trading strategy is not as aggressive. While I'm up 14 or $15 here, or 74%, 169%, 17%, 1% there, my trading strategy is not as aggressive because I'm trading with other people's money. And I'm going to continue that way because I don't want to have anything be liquidated. I don't want to have issues to where you have something liquidated and then I have to add more funds in there. This is other people's money that I'm trading with, and I want to make sure that I, remain positive. And if I'm going to be right, I'm going to be right in a aggressive way, but not crazy aggressive. And if I'm going to be wrong, I'm going to be wrong in a very, very conservative way. I've had one or two actually 50x leverage trades that I've made, and they were super conservative, where it's like, if it goes down by 5%, I'm out of it, because 50x leverage you don't play with. You can get liquidated like that. Like, I mean, instantly. 1% change and you're liquidated. So I want to make sure that I protect everybody's money. I protect my own money as well. I also have a heavy amount that's invested in there, and I'm going to continue to add to that trading strategy. You guys don't have to join that trading strategy if you don't want to. I don't suggest that anybody goes out here and copy someone directly. I more suggest that you create your own strategy. It's better to do that for yourself so that you understand trading a little bit more rather than just copying somebody else. Because copying somebody else, yes, you're gaining money and you're like, yeah, I can copy them. The next person's like, you can just put your money here and he'll make money for you. It's like, I feel more like like a servant in a way. Like, hey, make me more money, or just trying to poke me with a stick saying, give me more money type of thing. Like, that's the way that it feels because you're making these things. But I also feel great about being able to give people that opportunity to make more money or have something on the side, maybe to supplement what may be a loss or maybe even a gain. Who knows? But the point is I think you guys should trade with your own money in your own strategy, and then also maybe join copy trading and understand what they are doing, because you can see positions that I'm buying, you can see different gains that I've had, and you can see how much you're gaining yourself. So I don't know if I can show this. If I go into copy trading and I go to my overall thing here, actually you guys can go in and see it if you want to as well. It's not just something that's visible to me, but if you go into followers, you can see exactly what's there and what percentages they are up. So different people, 25%, 31%, 25%, 24%, 18, 15% in what people are gaining there. And I hope to be able to gain them more, but I am being a lot more conservative with this investment style than I am with my own. So, like I said, I want to apologize, but also not apologize at the same time. And I'm happy with the fact that we've seen this level of gains, and I didn't have to take any losses or have any stop losses be hit. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this video. Are you trading right now? Do you have a platform that you trade on? Is it Coinbase? Is it Kraken? What is it? What do you primarily use? But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time to just view me and do everything you guys do. It's absolutely amazing. You give me this opportunity to now put funds into places like this so that I can give you guys the opportunity to gain a little bit with it. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and check out the link for Margex down below if you guys want to. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.